The socket set's available from 1aauto.com. It comes in SAE, otherwise known as standard. It's 22 pieces, 1/4-inch drive, 6-point sockets. Comes with standard size sockets and deep sockets. The standard size sockets range from 5/32 to 1/2 inch in size, and the deep sockets range from 7/32 to 1/2 inch in size. It has a 2-inch long extension, a universal joint, a 6-inch long extension, and of course the 1/4-inch drive ratchet. It has a nice action to it. Push the button to unlock it, and of course comes with this nice storage case, so if you don't have any place to keep them, you can keep them right in the case. It's a great way to start your tool collection.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.